out here and hey Ben. We're out here, we're still super tired and like sleepy, but we just got breakfast and got everything set up. I already aired down the tires a little bit more. Got everything set up, pretty much ready to go. There ain't not, you know, isn't too much to do. We already have everything still like kind of set up from yesterday. And that's pretty much it. My dad's got his Z out here. And we got, for tires, we burnt those off. We got the ones on the back, which are those new Acceleras that I bought yesterday. Those are still good. They got a little bit of life, they're like 50% tread. And then we've got these, which have a ton of life left. We got those, which have a ton of life left. So we should have enough. We'll see. You excited?
I'm excited.
He's getting all the shots for us.
Like the tires that you just got. Those are gonna last you a while.
Yeah, they're Acceleras. I ran those last time and I didn't have an issue with them. They're really good. It's 235, 40, 18. And they're gripping up. I just dropped them down to like 40, but I dropped it to about 18 PSI. Yeah. Yeah, they're nice tires. I like those. I'm gonna be getting bigger wheels. I'm gonna probably be going to an 18 by 10 and a half. And I'm gonna run a 265 squared, meaning in the front and the back. And I'm gonna do probably the same brand because I've been having really good luck with these. I do wanna I did, I got them last time too. I wanna try the Kindas or maybe Federals or some sort. There's a new brand from Japan called Valino that I wanna also try. But these are great. I've been having really good success with these, so. Let's see what's going on out here. Right now I think we got B-Class going at it. So I'm gonna film them a little bit for you guys, see what they're up to. had a little bit of power and it was starting to like, I wouldn't say bog, but it was starting to backfire a little bit. So I went ahead and I let it cool down, and we went back out there, and it was good up until second gear, and then the car cut full power. I brought my code reader with me, so I was able to plug it in and check it, and it's actually the camshaft position sensor. I went ahead and I changed both of them, but apparently one of them went out again. So this car just eats camshaft sensor. So I'm gonna go ahead and I think that's it for today. I'm gonna load up everything, get it on the trailer, and at least we'll have a little bit of the afternoon to drive home. And get home, change the sensors, and we'll be back out here. It's not a big deal. At least we got a full day of drifting, another half day of drifting, a bunch of tandems in.
I think you did good with what it was.
Yeah.
There was like no, you were consistent as heck.
Yeah, very consistent. The Sangle kit is absolutely amazing. If you're thinking about getting one, definitely just go ahead, pull the plug, buy it. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Until next time that we're out here, we get the car up and running. Yeah, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.